Hi there, welcome. I am going to share with you how to use your deep feeling nature as the gift that it actually is, how to use it to your advantage. If you are a deep feeling woman struggling with burnout, overthinking, people pleasing, and you want to finally be able to use your deep feeling nature as the gift that it is, then stay tuned because I'm going to share a really powerful way to do that with you in the next 2 minutes. All right, we're going to stay very succinct and on topic today, which, if you know me at all, you know is a little hard, but we're going to do it today. When it comes to being a deep feeler, I get it. Like, I totally get it. Being sensitive, feeling things deeply, this can definitely come with its challenges. Its many challenges. Have you experienced that? Share with me in the comments. I'd really love to hear how this has been a challenge for you. It's like your mind is always working, right? It's like always working. It's analyzing and it's figuring things out and it's sorting things and it's just like trying to make sense of things. It's always going. As a deep feeling person, a highly sensitive person, we're always perceiving and receiving, and it can get exhausting, right? Like you feel everything, you sense everything. And you probably have a very vivid imagination, and you can easily pick up on the emotions of others. Are you resonating with any of these traits? And you've probably likely tried different ways of toughening up or of fixing yourself. Um, you've likely tried to do things to stuff down your feelings, to stuff down your your way of perceiving and feeling the world, right? Like toughening up, stuffing it down, trying to fix ourselves, making ourselves more resilient and tough. And see, there's a big problem with this. Okay? A big problem with this that is likely why you have just been left with nothing but frustration. The big problem with this is that this is your nature, and you can't fight nature. You can't. So your true nature is this deep feeling essence, and you can't fight that. So rather than going against your nature, you must accept it and embrace it and really work with it so that it can work for you. Voila. So, real quick, for those that are new or don't know me, I'm Devin, and I am an integrative health expert and holistic life coach and founder of the InnerSpark method. And it's for deep feeling women ready to identify the roots of their burnout and overthinking and people pleasing so that they can discover and live their true shame free nature and confidently thrive in body, mind, and spirit. And I've worked with dozens of women and have shown them the process that I created for myself to support them in completely transforming their relationship with themselves and the world around them. Right? Like that's key. And so the thing is, when we stop focusing so much on trying to fix the problem, in this case feeling deeply, we can get to the part where it's a gift and is actually our best teacher. So our innate deep feeling nature is our best teacher. So here it is. Remember how I said I'd share a powerful nugget with you that you can use right now? Are you ready? Do you want the powerful nugget? Sounds like some like fairy book, fairy tale book thing, like the magic bean, the powerful nugget. All right. So here it is. Your big perspective shift. Your deep feeling nature, okay? So that is you being very sensitive, feeling things deeply. Your deep feeling nature, your true nature, is what ensures that you get to live a freaking beautiful and amazing and nourishing, authentic life rather than settling. That's it. So how does that land with you? How does that perspective shift enter into your psyche as you hear me say it? Your deep feeling nature is what ensures that you get to live the most nourishing and authentic life and not settle. Okay? And you may be like, what? This deep feeling nature sucks. And no, it doesn't. Okay? So I want you to try this. I want you to try this exercise. Get your journal out, tune in with yourself, and ask, where are you being guided to course correct right now? Where are you settling in some part of your life? And where is your internal voice screaming at you, and what is it saying? Okay? Do this exercise with radical honesty and an open heart, and let your deep feeling nature guide the whole process. So, this is the thing to do to begin befriending yourself and to quit viewing yourself as a never ending self improvement project. Have you ever Have you ever thought of yourself that way? I know I have in the past. So let the deep feeling gift guide you in this process. So, as deep feelers, our internal voice is louder than other people's, and our tolerance for BS is also lower. So, this means that we're more readily able to take action and know when something isn't working. And so, as a result of that, we get to avoid settling in life and being full of, you know, resentment and and lack of clarity because we know, right? That's part of the reason why we get burnt out, why we're so frustrated, why we give into these behaviors that don't feel good. It's because we know, like we know what's not working, we know what doesn't feel good. And so this deep feeling nature invites us to course correct when we work with it and when we hold space for it. Okay, so do this process, get your journal, have some radical honesty and an open heart, and get clear on what's not feeling good. Where's the challenge? And what does the challenge have to say? And just get super cozy with it. That's all you need to do right now. Begin to view the deep feeling nature as a teacher and not as a symptom to fix. Okay, and that's it. So try this, and then I invite you to send me a message, send me a private message, and tell me how it helped you. I would really love to hear from you. And I also have a guide that I've created to help fellow deep feeling overthinkers prevent and overcome burnout. And I'll share that in the comments. Okay? All right. Thank you. I'll see you next time.